Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial of how to implement a Stripe checkout button into your website. Before we begin with the tutorial, I would like to explain that some basic knowledge of JavaScript and HTML will be required in order to complete this tutorial. Also, you may need an IDE. An IDE is a software that programmers use to write code, run it, debug it, etc. And you also need an Stripe account, which is exactly the company that provide these payment solutions that you can see on your screen. You see, with the Stripe, you can create a checkout button like this one, and then once you click it, it will redirect you to a page like this one that actually is the form that any person fill in to buy goods, services, product, etc. So before we dive in completely, the first thing to have to do is to create the Stripe account. So we go to the Stripe webpage. You can just Google Stripe and it will take you directly to the home page, and then you sign in. It is important to notice like the first time that a person sign in the Stripe will have to complete a lot of steps. You'll have to uh, input your name, your business name, your social security, your bank account, among other details. The reason why Stripe check for all those details in order to provide the right information to the business and the customers, and won't allow you to process any payment if you don't have all that information in. So once you go inside, you have to make sure that you're in test mode. You see on the right top corner, the reason why test mode is a nice feature that Stripe has and allows for anything that you do on the test mode to be kept on test mode, won't carry over the live mode. So even if you make mistakes or you don't have the right configuration, it won't affect the real mode, which is the one that you're gonna be using to charge people. Then here you go to developers right next to it. And then on the left hand side, you copy the API keys. So the API is actually the address that your account has. So every time that somebody charge or pay to you, it's gonna be paying to this address, which is the one tied to your account. Next, we're gonna create a product. We click the product and we add it. Let's say that you would like to sell sunglasses. You say sunglasses and let me see. Let's gonna describe it. I don't know, you put sunglass one, and then here you're gonna see there is a lot of options. You can choose a price. We're gonna choose a standard price. You have to make sure that the price is one time, because if it is recurring, you're charging the person like a subscription. The Stripe will keep the credit card information and then will charge every month. So let's gonna for example do the $18 for a glass, and then we're gonna save the product. So once we save it, Stripe is gonna take you to the product page. And here there is another detail you have to keep and save. The same way you did with the API key, now you have to do it with the API ID. This is the direction of the product in your account. And the thing is, if you don't have the right direction, you're charging it to the wrong price. So after we copy all that information, we're gonna have to go here next to the create payment link. That is three dots. You click here and go to the checkout code snippet. This snippet that you see here is actually the one that you copy and paste into your website, and it's gonna create the checkout button. So you're gonna copy here and then you're done. And you're gonna go to the IDE. This is the one that I use. This is Replit. I already pasted the code, and then I already have all the information. So you're gonna see here, I'm gonna zoom in for you, and then you're gonna see something here. You see this key here is the one that I copied the first time, the API put key, and this is the API price ID key. Those two are the one that tie the checkout page to your account and the product on your account. So once you have that in, let me minimize this screen. It's gonna run the code. You see the checkout button right there here. Let's gonna expand it to the browser, and then here we have the checkout page. You click here, and voila, you're gonna be redirected to the payment details. Here you're gonna enter all the information. You can either use Google Pay or Pay with Link. All of those all that information, Stripe is gonna process it and then it's gonna deposit the money into your account. However, just let's gonna taste it really quick. You can see here, you can look it up for like a Stripe fake credit card, and then for testing, you're gonna see here, this is a number 442. You see this number, we can use it here. Gonna go back here. Let me introduce it here. For email, it's gonna do any email. Okay, the credit card number 42424242. Then an expiration date 0202. Any code, any name, any zip code, and then you're gonna even ask you for a phone number. That's gonna do a phone number, and then you're gonna keep it. You see, it's processing the payment, and you see the payment is secure. I mean, I have redirect this web page to a Facebook account. You can redirect that here to any page that you want. It's gonna close here. You see, I have it redirected to a Facebook page. You can redirect it back to your online business account, like your business account, your business store, or any place that you want the customer to be redirected once they pay. So guys, this is how you integrate in a Stripe account or in a Stripe checkout button into your online business. Hopefully you enjoy this tutorial, you like it, and then you probably can use it at any point in your life. This is completely free, it's easy to implement it, and if you like my video, just I'm gonna leave my email. Hit me up if you need to ask any questions, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.